Nairobi.
Elsewhere, the government says it has now abandoned any plans to amend the return formula document and further opting to disregard the Monday meeting called for by the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union, KMPDU. The doctors had asked for a 10 a.m. meeting on Monday, but the court directive says the return formula should be deposited in the court by 9:30 a.m. Monday. This comes after the doctors' union's officials walked out of the agreement signing event on Friday.
As we are depositing this agreement, we are going to petition the court to allow us to take any necessary action.
It is coming out clearly, and I think I'll call out KMPDU and tell them they seem to have a house that is divided. It is time they really pulled together and thought about the Kenyan people who are suffering.
That the only issue that we had not agreed on was on internship. And the court yesterday did direct that the issue of internship be consolidated with the matter in court in Eldoret and be held in abeyance unless parties are able to discuss.
We had initially said that we will not victimize the doctors who have been on strike. We still remain committed to the cause. However, it is not possible to stay like that forever. And therefore, in the event that we still do not have doctors back to work, we cannot let our people to continue dying. We will have no choice but to replace them.
Now, several persons living with disabilities in Murang'a County are a happy lot after they got a